Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this is my first video on YouTube, and yeah, I just wanted to say I'm so happy to be on YouTube, and I just cannot wait until I can maybe do more videos like this and show you guys all of my fun friends that can go on Roblox with me, and basically just all that jazz. So I basically love playing Roblox. In Roblox, my favorite games are probably Bloxburg, Adopt Me, and Tower of Hell. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that bell button so you can get notified every time I post another video. I would be really appreciated if you use code Anna in Fortnite. That would be really appreciated. So I actually do Fortnite as well, not a lot, but I do Fortnite sometimes. And basically I'm going to be telling you guys about things that I do, I love doing and stuff. So the first thing is I love playing with my family and friends. They're just amazing to me, and I feel so grateful that I actually am getting onto YouTube, and I'm going to be posting every day, and basically I'm so excited to show you guys all my new things. So guys, I'm actually going to post every day, but sometimes I might just do some photos and stuff, and show you guys how to do stuff, and how to get this camera up and stuff. And everything is going to be on a Dell laptop, so if you have a Dell laptop, make sure you watch this video, and not this one, but more in the future that I'm going to be doing, to get an experience of how to do a few things, and that you didn't know. If you I'm going to show you guys in some videos how to start recording and how to get your face with your face. Your webcam. So basically, I'm going to be starting off my first ever YouTube video with hi guys. I'm so happy that you guys can go on an adventure with me for when I grow up, and how you would get to know me more, and how I grew up, and you guys can watch me grow up and be who I'm supposed to be. And I'm just so excited to go on an adventure with you guys, and yeah. So I'm so happy that you guys are probably watching this video, and you're probably like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's probably 10 years old, which I am. And I am 10. And people don't believe in themselves that much. I came on YouTube because I wanted to say believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, then you're not going to get anywhere. But believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can get you can go onto YouTube. You can get pets in Adopt Me or Bloxburg, pets and Bloxburg. You can get money in Bloxburg. You just need to believe in yourself, and that's why I came onto YouTube, to tell everyone to believe in yourself. And yeah. So if this video actually goes viral, I will be so happy, and I will post way more videos. And so basically, I have not figured out stuff like what I'm about to say now, but I'm hoping if I get to 10k likes, then I will run out merch. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the little bell to be notified every time I post another video. Comment down below your Roblox username, and I will add you a thing and probably give you a shout out. So this is the intro of my first ever YouTube video on Roblox, and yeah, so I'm so excited to be doing more videos and watching you guys grow up with me, and seeing all your fun things that you've been probably doing at the weekend, and probably you guys can join my game. Make sure you to add me as a friend on Roblox. My user is AnnaMcCraeXX. It will come up here. No, it actually doesn't, but my user is AnnaMcCraeXX. If it doesn't come up, then just click on the search button, AnnaMcCraeXX, and player, you can probably get playing, in player, it will come up with this outfit. This face will come up, and yeah. So thanks for watching my first ever video on Roblox, and yeah, so I'm just going to be saying bye for now, but when I'm doing more videos I will probably be doing showing you guys how to get a webcam up and how to start your YouTube channel and how to get your screen like this recorded. So I'll definitely see you soon, and I'm so excited to do more videos, and if, like I said before, if we get to 10k likes, then I'll definitely bring that merch. So I'm so happy. I'm actually doing this right now, but yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and and hit that bell. Sorry. Hit the bell and then you'll be notified every time I post another video, and hopefully this video goes viral and everyone loves it. So if you watch this video, then definitely hit the subscribe button. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time I do another video on Roblox, and I will be doing some shortlists in the next video. So bye!